Low-cost sensors, ease of connectivity, and cloud elasticity are opening up new opportunities to drive operational efficiency with new sources of data. It's at a scale we haven't seen before. Edge, cloud, and enterprise technology will deliver data from more sources in more formats and to more locations. There will be no one technology or platform. Instead, our world will be an ecosystem of best-of-breed technology. The ecosystem of the future will range from traditional industrial operations tech providers to new providers. While these providers are currently focused on getting data to the cloud, OSIsoft's focus is to empower operations with operations-ready real-time data, from the shop floor to the top floor, from the edge to the cloud, no matter the vendor, person, or application. And as more stakeholders appear, we will extend the reach of that data using scalable, cloud-native technology that's purpose-built for the needs of the operations customer. We know a steam table from a pivot table, so while we don't do the cloud analytics for the data scientists, we do enable their cloud analytics with the right data at scale, in context, in the right shape, and at the right time, so that all business stakeholders and operations teams benefit from their insights. The result is better analytics by delivering operations data in context to the data scientist who works with the business and operational technology stakeholders. In addition, we do local analytics down at the edge, near the experts that can take action immediately, as well as analytics derived from the cloud and deployed in real time to every operations site. We've learned in our 4 decades that connecting and gathering the data is just the beginning. It's the time it takes to make it usable at the enterprise level that counts. The Pi system provides application-ready data, and that means providing over 450 interfaces to modern and legacy data sources, buffering when the network is down, recalculating when data changes, converting engineering units, creating production events and tags programmatically, aligning data to those events, handling error states like overrange, underrange, I/O timeout, and on and on. OSIsoft has invested over 1,900 person-years building specific capabilities on top of a time series database that enable users to do yield accounting, predictive maintenance, and a myriad of complex solutions required by critical operations. Our approach has been successful, with over 3,000 published case studies across industries and 21,000 customer sites in 127 countries, managing over 2 billion streams of data. And now, we're applying over 38 years of experience to extend our market-leading data infrastructure to a cloud-native, software-as-a-service offering. It'll make your critical operations data available to more users and analytics so you can derive more insights. Because we are operations-ready, our customers get results in months, not years. DCP Midstream installed the Pi system across their entire enterprise in 2 months and got a $20 million payback the first year. AGL achieved payback in 9 months and in 2018 estimated savings of $6.2 million. In the first 3 months, Aurelia Metals improved gold recovery by 6.6% and ROI in 12 days. Deschutes Brewery shortened fermentation time by 24 hours and achieved payoff in 3 months. OSIsoft is here to support your digital transformation. We focus on the engineer's need to get value immediately from critical operations data while bringing that data to the cloud for use in enterprise analytics. We are the system of record for events, quality, compliance, production output, and consumables like energy and raw materials. Our ecosystem of partners support finance, HR, safety, logistics, and resource planning. Together, we deliver the 360-degree insights for enterprise performance that everyone is looking for. OSIsoft, proven critical for operations. We're investing in you, in your assets, your sites, your enterprise, and in extending your operations to the edge and into the cloud.